We are taking the Kilauea Iki Trail, which leads to the Kilauea Iki Crater. This is a 4-mile round-trip hike, and looking forward to getting down into the crater because it's going to be like nothing I've ever seen before. People say it's magnificent. Very excited. This is the jungle out here in Hilo, the rainforest. From what we learned about Hilo, and maybe forgot, because we had been here back in 2005, was that it rains here a heck of a lot, pretty much every day. Often they have sunny mornings, and then it rains a little bit more in the afternoon. We've been on this side of the island for 5 days. There's definitely been rain every day. One day, the afternoon was pretty dry. It was when we went horseback riding. And then the rest of the days, it definitely did rain more in the afternoon and evening. Our ziplining experience was wet but fun. We went to a cold, rainy dinner yesterday. We took our shelter dog out today in raininess. And without the rain, you wouldn't see this gorgeousness. That is one thing that is true here. What? Sure. Holding her phone. My little purse is growing. Some extra pockets, I think. Ooh, it's like really foggy. Wonder when you get down in there if you could see. So, this is our second day at volcanoes. And we did pretty much everything except for really the hikes. And the chance to go down into a crater is just something you can't miss coming here. I'm trying to remember exactly about this crater. It's certainly not part of the main Kilauea, where the lava is currently kind of in the reservoir underneath. This is a safe one to walk across. Super, super cool. And when I see signs, I will focus on them in terms of information. It has been many, many years since this crater was probably full. And Kilauea is not a typical volcano. It's really more of a crater in which underneath in tunnels lava sits. And earthquakes, fissures in the ground, cracks in the ground happen, and the lava will find a way to rush out of the cavern area it's in. And hold on. Ooh. Hi. It will pretty much create a crater because the lava all leaves, and pretty much there's just a horizontal roof of land left after it leaves, and it ends up collapsing. Oh, it's a shortcut. Oh, good job, guys. Energy efficient, doing shortcuts. When you're going downhill, it's going to go a heck of a lot faster than coming back up. Yeah. We'll be huffing and puffing on the way up. No! No! I wouldn't do that. Yes, I am that mother who yells at her kids for stupidity. It's wet, it's muddy, it's slippery, and it's not a good idea to... Did you ask them if we're almost there? What'd they say? Oh, that's funny.